get Brother Clifford over here on the grill. And the Rex over there underneath the American flag. Alright, alright. So we're gonna get ready with the first of our Super Bowl dishes over here. Clifford is the pro with our wings, obviously, and then we're gonna get some New York steak going on my super duper infrared grill. Alright, coming to you live here from Westfield Gentry. Aloha. Just right. Alright, we're getting ready for kickoff over here. Coming out of Whitefield Gentry. Just right 7 with Clifford over here. Alright. Clifford is the awesomest chicken cooker in the world. And we got Rex over here on the grill with his awesome creation of hot dogs.
Hey, how you want your hot dog slice, huh?
How you like slice, huh? How you like slice? Alright guys, here we are, Super Bowl 49. Woohoo! Woohoo! Super Bowl 49. Alright, take them on the inside house. Alright, we get the grinds going on. Woo! This is it, man. Super Bowl 49.